Hey guys, welcome to my Natural Academia. In today's video, I'll be doing mini braids on my hair. This is not really a tutorial or anything like that. I'm pretty sure most of you guys should know how to do braids if you're interested in, a tutorial on how to do braids. I mean, I'll be happy to do one, but this is just not the video for that. But yeah, this is just gonna be a chill video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how my hair looks like in mini braids through the process of doing the mini braids, if that makes any sense. So if you're a returning subscriber, you know that I usually wear my hair in braids. I'm just using the parts that I use in my big braids as a base for this hairstyle, just so that I won't have to part my hair. So I've sectioned my hair into 8 different sections. These are the sections that I usually braid my hair in with my big braids. I'm going to be using 2 products to moisturize my hair today. These are the only products that I use to moisturize my hair nowadays. They're always linked down in the description box if you're interested in any of them. But this is what I'll be using to moisturize my hair. This is how the Palmer's olive oil looks on the inside. And this is how the TGIN moisturizer looks on the inside. It's actually very light but thick at the same time, if you know what I mean. I also have a wide tooth comb that I'm going to be parting my hair with. I'm not going to be detangling my hair with this brush because we don't do that over here. I actually lost my rat tail comb that I usually part my hair with, so I'm going to have to try to do it with this one. Hopefully that works out. I don't think I've ever parted my hair with a wide tooth comb before. But anywho, I'm just going to moisturize my hair first and then part and then braid. By the way, just in case you guys are wondering, I do mix the Palmer's olive oil and the TGIN together. I just find that this method works faster for me than having to apply them separately. Alright, so this is just how my hair is looking. I went off camera to finish the rest because it was taking a really long time. It took me about 6 hours to do this, and I think it looks pretty nice. I didn't add any hair to this. This is all my hair. I don't wear weave at all. This is how my ends are looking. Pretty healthy. I have some strands that are like longer than the rest, and I don't know why. My face is super duper greasy, but it's okay. I plan on leaving these braids in my hair for about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, honestly. And then I'll wash my hair after. If you're interested in any of the products that I use in this video, I will be linking them down in the description box. I really appreciate you guys for clicking on this video and watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. Once again, I really appreciate you guys for clicking on this video and watching, and I'll see you guys next time.